Hi, good morning guys.
Hi there,
Today's
guys.
video
Hi there,
we
Susma.
are make our daily.
Hi there guys, Shufi. Hi there madam.
Welcome to my vlog guys. So I show you guys what we are making today. What our
Making today?
Yes, we are making degree Celsius. Degree Celsius.
Humidity and temperature.
This one guys. See? Observe eye center, daily temperature and humidity log. Oh, ayan. So maglalagay tayo ng degree dito yan, guys. So, 'di ba? Ito yung ayaw ko eh. Kaya nga hindi ko na tinapos yung pag-aaral ko. Pero wala tayong magagawa, guys.
Viewers, wala kami pakialam dyan.
Shuba de sabi.
So, ito na yun, guys. Ayan.
Guys, sura.
Oh, kita mo, may kiling pa yung cellphone dyan na nakaano. So, ito na guys. Kopya. Meron tayo, siyempre kailangan meron tayo ng kopyahan para hindi tayo mamali. Pero kahit may kopyahan na guys, ayan, mamali pa rin tayo. 17.5.
700.
Ayan. AM to AM. Iba yung panghapon, PM. So, ganyan lang yun guys. Ang gagaling-galingan lang. So,
Wait lang.
ano pa? Dito, sa temperature, ito guys ha, temperature to ha, and then dito sa kabila guys, ayan, humidity. Hindi mo galing-galingan tayo kunwari. Pinag-aralan ko
Amit,
ng
sige na,
ilang
Amit.
oras yun guys. AM 5, 57 to be? 57?
Pero i-ano mo siya, i-adjust mo. Parang i-ano mo siya, iba-ibahin mo.
57, 59, gano'n.
Basta i-adjust mo lang siya, 54.
Diba?
Iba-ibahin mo lang. Huwag ka lang aabot ng 60.
Okay.
Tapos ito dapat, 17.5 pababa.
Ayun daw.
So, dapat 17.5.
Pababa.
Kaya nga, bilisan mo na. Akin na yung number. Huwag niyo akong kalimutan magdala nito pa.
Bakit extra ka na naman dyan sa may vlog ko? Wag mo, i-extra mo yung kamay mo pa.
Hi guys! I'm sorry. I will cover her. Magkano bayad? Hi guys, good morning. Now I'm cleaning this one. Anong pangalan niyan, Amit? These people is busy for their exam. They have exam and temperature check every day for the the places there. 614.
This is what?
They need to pass it. Otherwise, they will send out. Ang dolo.
Ano ba ito? Okay, Ate Lola, because my eyes is so blurred, so...
Guys, it's so easy, but she cannot
Can
answer
you see
it.
this? Can you see this?
59%.
Okay, 59%. So, what?
Hey,
Ate, ito?
look the temperature. You should look there. Kay January yan, pupuntahan mo doon yung January? Ngayon lang nila ito
Nag-aaway na sila guys.
January, they're going back to the January. It's so difficult. So, guys, they're writing here. It's not the actual January because we are now on March.
Ito yung
April,
madamdamin
May.
namin. Ipakita mo si madamdamin. Si
Hi
madamdamin.
guys.
Magbili ka ng donut? Magkano ng donut?
Kung sa Bisaya, guys, mata-mata lang nila guys. Hindi mata-mata lang nila ang ano nila dito.
Si ate mo, bilhan mo si ate
Kasi now we are in what month? March.
Oh, April.
April na
Ibigay
guys.
mo lang
Tapos
mamaya.
yan, January pa guys.
It's too late. Okay. So, that's it guys. So, ito ang ating videographer.
Ang bili yan ang para ng